In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Kaiber account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to sign up using the option that fits you best, all in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading directly to Kaiber.ai. Type it into the address bar at the top so you land on the official site, and give the page a moment to load. If you see a secure padlock icon next to the address, that's a good sign you're in the right place. Sometimes you may be redirected to a page that starts with app.kaiber.ai. That's perfectly normal. Once the home page is visible, look to the upper right corner and click Open App. On desktop, it should be a clear button at the top. On mobile, you may need to tap a menu icon first or scroll a bit, but it will still appear near the top of the screen. Clicking Open App takes you to the Sign Up and Sign In area where you can create your account. Here you'll see quick sign up options with Google or Apple. These are the fastest methods because they use accounts you already have. If you choose Google, select your Google account when prompted and confirm any on-screen permissions. If you choose Apple, you'll authenticate with your Apple ID using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, depending on your device. Both methods help you skip creating a new password, and they link your Kaiber account to an identity you already manage. If you value speed and convenience, these options are ideal. You can also sign up with your email. If you prefer to keep things separate from your Google or Apple accounts, enter the email address you want to use and create a strong password. Choose something memorable to you but hard for others to guess, and keep it stored safely in a password manager if you use one. Follow the on-screen prompts and the site will guide you through finishing the setup. If you ever mistype your email, simply correct it and continue. After you complete the sign-up, you'll be taken into the app. That means your account is active and you're ready to explore. If a pop-up window doesn't appear during sign-up, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. If the Open App button doesn't show up right away, refresh the page. And if you're on a work or school device with strict permissions, using a personal device or a different browser can help. That's it. Go to Kaiber.ai, click Open App, then choose Google, Apple, or email, whichever suits you best. You now have everything you need to create your Kaiber account with confidence.